Welcome to BibleAndPlaces.com. Thanks for coming. We hope you find it to be helpful. And walking you through this video will help you use the website in the most efficient way. So let's look at the main screen where we see the Bible on the left and some maps on the right. And look at the menu on the left where you will have some options, including choosing your language, choosing the Bible translation in that language that you want to use, choosing the Bible book that you want to look at first, and then choosing the chapter that you will look at. And we're going to be doing Genesis chapter 11 for our example. As you look at the maps, you can see at the top that you have a choice of languages. You can choose between Czech and English, and we'll be using English. As you look at the maps, you see that it is available in a variety of different layers. Click on that and you'll see the topography map is available. Also, there's a satellite map that's available. The National Geographic map shows modern political boundaries. And we also have the shaded relief map. Another great feature we see is the world map. The world map is, as it suggests, going to give you a pretty good look at especially that part of the world that Bible students are interested in. You see a lot of numbers showing up there. That's because there's so many biblical places that are interesting to us. But we're going to be heading particularly to the famous city of Jericho. Jericho, as we see it on this map using the imagery, gives us a satellite view of what the city looks like now, in addition to the archaeological site. If we click on that pin, it will access more information, including taking us to Wikipedia. Wikipedia is going to give us some good basic information about Jericho, the history of Jericho. In addition to that, we have access to a street view. And the street view is going to give us an up-close look at the archaeological site where a lot of the work has been done. Quite an amazing feature that we have access to. In addition to that, there's more information that's available. If you click here, you're going to see that there is a basic article about Jericho with a picture. You keep looking at what's available. It's going to take us to some links. If we click on these links, it will take us to more information about Jericho. Again, access to the street view is there. And pictures. A number of high-quality pictures of the site of Jericho have been made. You click on one of those, you're going to be able to scroll through these and get a lot better look at what the archaeological site in Jericho is like now. And videos. A couple of videos right now that give some more in-depth information about the archaeological site as well as work that has been done there. Now let's look more closely at the interface between the Bible text and the maps, with Genesis 11 being our example and the city of Haran. If we click on Haran and the hyperlink in the text, and by the way, all the blue text you see is hyperlinked, it's all the places, archaeological places in the Bible, you're going to find the location in the map to your right. Now if you double click on Haran, it's going to take you even closer to our location. Using the satellite imagery, as we get even closer, we can see the archaeological site that is there. When we click on our pin, we're able to see the same kind of information we saw before, a wiki entry, the street view, as well as more information. And back in our text, one of the nice features you see is that when you click on the verse number, you have a pop-up window that shows you that verse in a variety of other translations in your selected language. It's our goal that you're going to find this information helpful to you as you try to come to a better understanding of the Bible. We're going to continue the development of both the content as well as the structure of the website. There's access that you have under Contact Us to email us to provide feedback for how you're using the site, what you're getting out of it. And thanks again for stopping by and visiting.